CBS News legal analyst Jack Ford is with us. Jack, good morning.
Morning, Nora.
What a disturbing story. You hear investigators say no criminal intent, but does that mean Stewart's out of the woods?
It doesn't. They're going to look at all the possibilities here, and you could have, and we're not saying there will be, but you could have some type of criminal charges coming out of this that don't focus on intent. Now, criminal intent would be somebody was concluding that he wanted to harm him. He wanted to even kill him, and so he targeted him and drove at him. There's the possibility, I'm sure they'll look at this and see where the facts take them, but there's a possibility for something such as a criminally negligent homicide. That means I didn't intend to kill anybody. I didn't even intend to hurt anybody. But what I did is I ignored an obvious risk. And as a consequence of my conduct, ignoring that risk, somebody gets hurt. And that my conduct basically was what they call a gross deviation from the reasonable standard of care. So you could just say, I'm going to try and scare this guy and sort of take my car near him. I'm not saying that's what happened, but I'm going to do that, and you swerve and you hit him. You didn't mean to hit anybody, but that could put you in the category of criminally negligent homicide.
There's much talk about him being an aggressive driver. There are a lot of aggressive drivers in NASCAR.
There are. I mean, it's part of the attraction. You know, guys, the fans love it when they swap paint, is the expression that they use when the cars come in contact.
Does their long-term rivalry, though, have any?
Well, it could, in the sense that if I'm the prosecutor and I'm taking a look at this, I'm going to want to know about his conduct in the past. You know, we saw the shot of him firing the helmet at the guy, saying, I'm going to take him on every chance I get. Now, does that mean he would be charged or found guilty of this because of his past conduct? No. But it's certainly something that...
Is it a factor in intent, though?
It would be a factor, certainly intent, if they were looking for intent here. But it could also be a factor, because I don't know that anybody's saying he intended. It could also be a factor in the notion of negligence. You know, are you the angry guy who's going to come close to the guy to scare him, kind of macho up with him a little bit? You don't intend to hurt anybody, but an accident happens as a consequence of that. That's where that could come into play.
Jack Ford, thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you.